Hey everyone, it's Doug. And before I get started, if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel, leave a like, leave a comment. It's America, do what you want. All right. We are on 1957, and this is my Detroit Tigers 1957 yearbook. And this is kind of like a learning experience for me. I'm going to try a different way of showing the book. I'm just going to do like images versus trying to turn the pages, one with one hand and holding the camera on the other. And like I said, we'll see how that works out. So stay tuned, and I'll be right back. Peace.